I've been procrastinating on filming this video, but I wanted to introduce my co-driver for Midwest Drags.
What's going on, guys?
You guys all know Jason.
Getting ready.
Yeah, so
Gotta do this.
he came over today. We've been going through what we're bringing in the trailer, kind of going through what still needs to be done on the car. There's a couple things. And what do we have? 3 days? 4 days?
Not even.
We've got today's Thursday, so we got Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday we hit the road to drive down to Virginia.
Nice little 4-hour ride.
Yeah,
5-hour ride.
Yeah, 4-hour ride, no air conditioning,
Pulling a trailer.
radio that
With a
hardly
car
works.
that should have never pulled a trailer.
So here's our little trailer setup.
It's gonna do the job. It's gonna get it done.
Yeah, I literally got license plate on it today. Yeah, we got the basics. We have spare differential, spare axles, gas jug, some ramps, camera gear, a little drone action. Jason's going to be helping out with filming.
Got all our tools.
Yeah. This is sort of just our initial loadout. I've just been throwing things in here as we think. Hey, sorry. See, that's why you're here. The car I need to convert to have a coolant overflow because I have an expansion tank right now with no overflow. So in order to pass tech, I got this little piece over here. I picked this up from Chase Bays. Like goes on the upper rad hose and gives me a cap. So this is going to go here like that for now. That'll give us what we need to pass tech. And then we also need a neutral safety switch.
Ralph needs a helmet.
Yeah, and I need to go get a helmet because Jason just looked at mine and it's out of date.
It's like 15 years too old. But that's okay. That's why we're here.
Yeah, that's why we're doing our
walkthroughs,
pre-checks.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
Yeah, so look forward to some videos on.
The goal is a video a night. We're gonna try our hardest.
Yeah, we're gonna try and do one video.
There's
every
no
day.
guarantee because this might be kicking our butt.
Yeah.
Who knows? But we're gonna have fun doing it and do what we can and hopefully entertain you guys for a few nights.
Hopefully it goes smooth and we're not wrenching on the car on the side of the road in the middle of the night.
That's the goal.
That's
yeah,
the goal.
exactly.
Is to not do that.
Yeah.
But we're bringing everything that we need if something were to happen.
Yep. Exactly.
We
Preparing as best as we can.
We are running the 12.0 index for the street machine. So the car should be able to easily tick off a 12.0. I'm not going to be spraying nitrous. It's just going to be NA.
It looks ready to go.
Yeah, I mean, it does, aside from like the parts that aren't installed. But for the most part, it's been sitting in a garage for a month because I've been away from home. This is the first time that I pulled it out since I've been home. What else? I did do I put M3 door trim on it. There's the trailer hitch that I built. Installed a trailer like light wiring kit. Properly mounted the battery because that thing was just flopping around back there.
You gonna take this out? You think?
I found these.
Oh, look at that. Cool. You gonna take this out? You think it's not worth even carrying around since we're not gonna run nitrous?
I probably should. I probably should take it out.
Give us a little bit more space. Not have to worry about the bottle.
Yeah. Yeah, because we're definitely not going to spray it. If we do spray it, it's going to be on the very last day. But I don't even think that's going to happen because we're going to. The race starts in Virginia and ends in Virginia, which is the furthest point from home.
Which sucks.
Which is not where I want to blow it up with nitrous.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, because we're going New Jersey, down there, start the event, coming back to Jersey, just to go all the way back down there, just to have to come home again. So.
Yeah, we have like twice as long of a road trip because
right.
We're not at the other end, and we're not trailering this to the event. We are driving it, towing the trailer.
Exactly.
So if we even make it to the event is one question.
We will. I'm confident. This car is well built. I'm very confident that we will, and it's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah. So I guess we'll show you the inside. This is going to be the office. We got a power inverter, so we can charge our devices.
We got lumbar supports.
We
in the
do,
seats.
yeah.
And to hug us a little bit better. These big guys need to make more room in the seats for the bolsters. So
Yeah, there's no air conditioning, but
it's all right. Just see me driving down 95 with my head out the window.
and Jason's gonna get some seat time driving this thing too. So
Should be fun. I'm looking forward to it.
we're gonna split up the driving.
Ralph doesn't know I can't drive stick, so literally finds out you can't find them, grind them.
I'm gonna have to insert the video of him
trying
to
let the clutch out, just fucking revving it to
I
5
do have
grand.
a clip of when you had the parking brake on.
Yes, exactly.
driveway.
In my driveway.
I'm not gonna put that in, but because I don't want to look for it, but it's on the channel. I think it's on the channel. I did all the duct work, the shrouding around the radiator, and opened up some extra holes. I will
Next video, you're gonna probably see us. We're gonna be on the road.
Yeah, the next video is gonna be the drive.
Hold on, that's arm me. I'm short. I gotta
Sorry,
stay on the
dude.
concrete,
I'm
so
sorry.
I'm not as short.
Hang on, let me get off
I
the
swear
con-
I'm 5'11".
There we go.
I didn't lie and say 6 foot. I'm 5'11".
So the next video will be us driving down to the event to Virginia. So, yeah. Anyway,
Cool.
that's it. I'll catch you later.
See you guys.